Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's advanced vocabulary word is perceptive. Let's learn what it means. Perceptive means being quick to notice, understand, or interpret things. A perceptive person notices details that others may miss. Here's an example. She was perceptive enough to notice that her colleague was feeling upset. This means she quickly understood how her colleague was feeling. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word perceptive? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!